Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for my Aquarius gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's start with an angel blessing card and see what blessing we have for this reading, and then we'll start. My angels, a blessing or an advice or a message for my Aquarius, please. Blessing, advice or message for Aquarius. This one. All right. Let's put the rest back, Aquarius. So the card I have for you here, Aquarius, is steady progress. What are you having steady progress with, Aquarius? Is it in your love life? Let's check it out. Let's open your cards and see where we're going from here. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the family. I'm really grateful for all your lovely comments, your likes, and also your donations to support the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, this is going to be a mini love read, a mini love bite, as I like to call them. Just to check on your energies, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the about section of the channel, description box below. You can reach me there. So some choices are being made here, Aquarius, in love. So let's start, Aquarius, with some dialogue cards between the two of you and see if you guys needed to say something to the other. What would that be? So, Spirit, if they could say something to each other right now, what would that be? Aquarius to their partner and vice versa. Got two. Let's take two more, Aquarius. This is from another deck. One more. Okay. So the first card here, Aquarius, says, I'm not your so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. So there could be a little bit of separation here, Aquarius. Even though you feel your partner doesn't love you, they're saying, hey, you don't even know, I'm always checking up on you. I'm always looking out for you, always checking up on you. Second card. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is too intense in your presence. I just can't stop myself. Okay. All right. We don't need to explain that one. I have always loved you and I always will. From the first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew you were my eternal love. Last one. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. So yes, there could be some choices that are being made, and one partner saying, you know I love you, why is there a separation, why aren't we together, you know that, I'm obsessed with you, I'm always there for you, I love you, and we're just wasting precious time here. So quickly make that decision that you need to make here, Aquarius. Start making steady progress. If you guys are in troubled waters right now, I think it's time to take some quick action here and go to a calmer place if possible, ASAP. Okay? Start making some steady progress. So let's see what the cards have for you. Two of Cups. Yes, there is love here. There is love here. Maybe it's stagnant right now, but there is a full potential of making the slow and steady progress. It's going to make you guys feel very happy. Maybe somebody here needs to send a message. I think the worst is over. You guys are going to come together and come out of this hermit mode. Yes, things can be rectified now here, Aquarius. Now, Spirit-wise, the Two of Cups here for Aquarius. Why is the Two of Cups here for Aquarius? Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Aquarius, even though you guys feel like you are each other's soulmate, like in the recent past, there could have been some kind of problem with a commitment. Okay, this could be an established marriage, or this could be trouble having a commitment, even though two people love each other very much. Something happened here which has kind of stopped this relationship here, or there's a lot of stagnation here. I think there's a masculine that I see here who's very keen now to take this forward once again. They want to have their wish fulfillment once again, even though there is a lot of regret for the past, the way things have kind of slowed down or things have not worked out. There is somebody here who's now planning to see how I can make this work again. They're planning, they're plotting, they are thinking of, they're at crossroads right now, wondering, yes, something has really gone down here. And even, yes, there's been a lot of regret, sorrow, upset. But now I want to see maybe there is a chance, maybe there is some decision that can be made which can bring me back to my wish fulfillment here. Okay, so yes, somebody is thinking of sending a message here. Somebody wants to take back control, take back charge, and yes, they want to come in with passion and excitement and happiness and say, hey, listen, I'm the person for you. I've grown up. I'm no longer now just the Knight of Wands. I've become the King of Wands. And they want to come and have some clear conversation in a mature, adult way that they want their partner to return to them. They have been stalking, like the not so secret admirer. So they have been waiting, watching, maybe hoping for some news from their partner. But since nothing has come till now, I think that I do see a masculine energy who's wanting to rush in now. They want to go back to their partner. They want their partner to come back. And they want to tell them that, yes, I do love you and there is love here. And maybe there's been a fight here between the two of you where this masculine may have been rash, may have said something which was rude or rash, or maybe there was a breakup, there was a fight, maybe they had difficulty in showing their emotions. But I think this masculine is now trying to, come out of this very sad and dejected and rejected kind of feeling. They are not happy. Yes, they are not happy with that, without their partner, and they want to now go towards them to say, hey, can we work it out again? I'm sorry, I've created some very bad memories now of the past, but I can't stop thinking about you. Can we work this out once again? Is there any possibility that we can come out of these troubled times and go to a more peaceful space where we can once again come back together and work together? They're feeling rather foolish right now, to be honest, as to how things have gone down. Maybe of the words they spoke, or maybe they're lonely right now. In their loneliness, they have realized who and what they really truly love. So there is a lot of love here still, Aquarius. Don't doubt that at all. So what can we expect now? Yes, there's somebody here in this equation who I think is the masculine, is feeling rather embarrassed and sheepish and humiliated, and they feel they've lost. Okay, they feel they may not be accepted back, but they do love. There is a lot of love here which they feel, and they are sad about the unwise choices that they've made. They've spent a lot of time in this reflection mode, thinking mode, hermit mode, and they've now wanting to put an end to everything that happened in the past and try and bring some kind of transformation. They're very unhappy that things have ended between them and their partner. So I think, yes, slow and steady, progress is possible if things are done right and both parties agree to it. Because yes, you're just wasting precious time here. If there's love, I think communication is the key here, right? So, and also depends on this person's partner, how badly they're hurt and if they're willing to give another chance. So that's all I see here for you, Aquarius. Take care, love and light. Namaste.